What we're going to do now is look at emergency food ration packs. Now this could be you're working remotely, you might be working with overhead power lines in the middle of the countryside or up a mountain. You might be involved in outdoor pursuits, going on adventure holidays, things like that. And you need to have some kind of food rations that if there was an emergency, you've got some food because you're waiting for air ambulance or emergency services to come to you. Or it may be that an accident has happened and you need to stay overnight where you are. So we're looking here at emergency rations, but these also could be used if you've got in the car and you're break down or in snowy weather or something like that. You can have one of these kits. Now they have very long shelf lives on these kits. They're designed to be food that you can eat over many years of shelf life. This particular kit here is about a 5-year shelf life on it, but you can get foods which go up to 20 years shelf life. Now, with all the products here, this is not like going to your average restaurant. They're not necessarily going to be nice food because in the way it is, it's pre-packed food. But this particular pack can make up a hot meal. So what we've got here is a chemical heat pack. So you can literally put this sachet here and it's an all-day breakfast. When you feel the texture of it, it's just basically a stodge, for want of a better word. But the actual heat pack will heat that up so you can have a hot meal. So you pop that in and you leave it a few minutes and that will just heat that pack up. So at least you've got some food that's near enough hot. Also here there are chocolate cake, which again is very good for giving you energy. There's biscuits, there's sweets, others here, some different drink powders to make water taste that little bit better. There's hot chocolate, sugar, tea, spoon, so that you can mix up a tea type drink, but also the spoon you can use to eat this food with. Now it all comes in a self-sealed bag, so you can then use the bag, eat what you need, and also use that bag to put the rubbish in afterwards. So these kits here, they come in lots of different flavors. You can get vegan versions of them as well. But this particular pack here would be good for at least keeping you going for a day. It's very minimal rations, but if not, you can always have 2 packs with you. But there's always going to be a limit to how many of these you can carry with you. But if you are working as anything in a work environment or first response side, then this is a good thing to have with you just in case you can't get access to food for any length of time.